Hi, good morning. I just found this IIFT in uh, question paper on the internet. It's a scan PDF paper, and I want to create an online test out of it. But the problem is I cannot do cut pasting, etc. Even if I do cut pasting, it's a lot of work, and I have to waste a lot of time. So I'm looking for a solution which can help me in creating online quizzes, but I do not have to go through all the cut paste or typing of content at the back end of a system, and I do it really fast. So I came across a solution, I'm going to share with you. It's called PDFmock.com, which converts any existing MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes within minutes. So no more cut paste, no more typing of content, no more image manipulation. Even if you have mathematical equations, you do not have to worry at all. So if you're the first time user, you can register yourself as a teacher by writing your organization name and address, and your name as teacher and your email id, and then you can click on the plus sign, and you can have multiple teachers added under the same organization and in the same way. And once you are done, you click on the save button so that all the teachers under this organization will have an instant access. So no more waiting, no more approvals, etc. It's very fast. So since I already have an access, so I'm going to log in through my email and otp by clicking here, and I am taken to the dashboard, which looks like this. So there are two sections: my batch and my test. In my batch, you manage the student batches and create new batches very easily. Your internal database segregated into different groups of students. And my test, you create the test and you manage the test. So I'm going to create the test of the from the PDF I just had from the internet. So PDFs are the great way to store content because the formatting stays there, but also it's a bit of stubborn format of content, because it does not allow you to cut paste very easily from it, and to put any interactivity. So this is the question paper we were talking about. Now I'm going to start doing this. So this is the question number one, and I'm going to make it an online quiz out of it. So this is the question number one, and this is a single correct. Obviously you have multiple correct, fill in the blanks also. All these three will be able to do any kind of questions that you could think of in objective type questioning. For example, assertion reasoning, and true false, or data sufficiency, etc, etc. And suppose the marking scheme is 3 for correct marks and -1 for incorrect, 0 for not attempted. You can also have the decimal values here, so it is really very easy to do it. And you can hit the add. When you once you click on the add button, you get a crosshair, and you go and start creating interactivity in front of each of these choices, corresponding to question number one. And so suppose for question number one, second choice is correct, you double click it, make it blue, and save it. Similarly, you do go ahead and do the same activity for question number two, and you build the interactivity corresponding to each of these choices. And suppose I don't know the real answer, but option 4 is correct, so you double click it and you save it. So I'm not going to do it for all the question paper because it's just for the demo purpose and it's going to take a lot of time. So in this way, you will do map all the questions with interactivity, and according to the type of question, marking scheme, etc. And one, it will hardly take you 45 minutes or so to complete the whole paper. And once you do it, you click on the save test, and then you write the title of the test. If you have a longer description, you can write in description box here. And this is the duration in minute in which the mm, test will expire. For example, 150 minutes, whatever that is, you can do it. So it's showing only two question and 6 marks because of these two questions. You can add the rest of the question and do the same kind of activity till every question is mapped. One cool thing is you can also attach solution file or explanation file, so that when a student has taken the test, they would receive this view this file in the view mode only, so that they can understand what went wrong and what is the explanation or solution of that question. And you click on save. Saving this question will take you back on the dashboard where you are going to schedule the test. So two questions, 6 marks. You can go back on the control panel by clicking the edit button. You can delete this paper by clicking on delete button. You can share this test onto the dashboard of other teachers whosoever is on pdfmock.com by searching their email id and clicking on search profile, and then sharing it with them. So this particularly is very helpful if you have a junior staff, or if you have a data entry operator working with you. Now I'm going to schedule it. I click on the schedule button. There are two modes of scheduling. One is close ended, and which means a particular date and time you want to conduct the examination, and you want to allocate to different batches that you have created. And you also have this privilege of publishing the result at your desired time. The other one is the open ended, wherein you start the test and the student will keep taking it till the time you manually stop it. This feature allows you to take care of the external students. Suppose any students are not there in your database in my batch, so that if you allow, anybody can take the test, and you will get the database of those students, and then you can add them onto your internal database or WhatsApp group or wherever you want. And then I schedule it. Once I schedule it, this test is ready to be shared. And with this, I can copy the test url, share it on my WhatsApp or Telegram channel, or over email. I can stop the schedule or edit the schedule. So now you just saw how easily I created an online test without doing any cut paste or any typing of content, or any employing any application back end and front end, which is messy. So I have been using this application from past couple of months. It has saved me hundreds of hours. Now I can take online test whenever I want. It's just a matter of 30 minutes. I create one small paper and distribute. I don't have to be dependent upon any data entry operator or any other application subscription. So this is cool, and this is very efficient, very smart. I can harness the true power of PDF through this. You also try it and share your feedback. Thank you.